Hey y'all! Today I'm going to make a chicken pot pie that is so delicious but yet so easy to make. Now let's get into it. Okay, we're going to use a rotisserie chicken from Sam's Club. I'm going to remove the skin and shred the chicken. So I'm going to use this chicken shredder and put the chicken breast directly in there and let it go to work. Okay, so it was like the two breasts that I took off the rotisserie chicken and it made this amount. So this is perfect. Okay, now let's chop up an onion. Okay, so we're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of butter. Add a half of onion. So the onions are nice and tender. 3 tablespoons of flour. Water. Add 2 cups of water. Chicken bouillon. Garlic powder. Onion powder. White pepper. And simmer. Add some minced garlic. Yep, that much. I don't have any celery, so I'm gonna add some celery salt. Not much. Gonna add a half a bag of frozen peas and carrots. Now that it has been simmering and you see how the filling is getting thick, now you can go ahead and add your chicken. Now we're gonna add a little heavy whipping cream. About a tablespoonful. And let it simmer. Okay, so the filling is nice and thick. We're going to prep the crust. Okay, so I'm gonna use a 7 by 11 dish. And we're going to use the Pepperidge Farm puff pastry. This crust is very flaky. And I'm just gonna pour this filling, this pie crust, right over the top. An egg and a little water and mix that together and brush it across the top. Okay, now I'm gonna put a few little slits in the pot pie. Okay, so it should look like this. Okay, and we're gonna put this in the oven until it's golden brown. Okay, and this stayed in for like 25 minutes. And now you just need about 2 tablespoons of butter, garlic, a little salt, a pinch of salt, and parsley. And you're gonna brush it over the top. And there you have it, a beautiful pot pie. Oh, look at it. Now let's go in for this taste test. Mmm. This is delish. Okay. So flavorful, so simple. I'm telling you guys, try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to leave me a comment, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it.